Hello, this is Jeffrey Shawn Winters, Digital Coach for Union County School District. I'll work with you on sorting your data from in Google Sheets. What I have here is results from my Google Forms. I love Google Forms for Google quizzes or doing quizzes. And rather than having a quiz for each one of my classes, I would just have one quiz I give throughout the day. On my forms, I'd have the students put in their name and their period. I'd automatically collect their email so I could compare if a student was claiming to be someone who they weren't. But when I'll go to put in data, it might look kind of difficult to kind of group their scores when it's all jumbled up. So what I used to do would be to go through and just say sort A to Z rather than sorting off the timestamp, I sort off the period. But there's actually a pretty neat little way of applying filters. Now, filters are really simple. They're kind of intimidating at first, but they're really easy to use, especially with Google Sheets, because all I have to do is click filter. And now when I go here, it's showing all the different categories that are listed here, and I can turn them off. And so let's say I want to filter where it's not showing any blanks, and I just want to see my first period class. So my first period is the only one selected, and now it's going to hide all the rest of the data. I can turn around and say, all right, after I put my first period grades in, I'm going to select my third period, and so forth. I can keep doing this until I've got all my grades put in. Another neat little thing, let's move over here instead. Let's turn all my classes back on. I'm not going to show the blanks. That's actually a nice little feature too. You're not going to see any of the blank information. Go over to scores. I'm going to filter scores this time. And now let's say I want to know who did poor on this quiz. So I'm going to turn off everybody who scored a 3 or above. And now I can see my students like that. Let's turn on blanks. That'll be even easier to sort. Let's say I want to know who all got a perfect score on this, who got 100s. We have our data. Really easy way of sorting NWA scores, K-Prep results, proficiency, distinguish. Really easy way of getting that information together. You can also sort based on dates, see who took quizzes on what day or late students, that kind of thing. So you can see who information you might not have put in yet, just to kind of double check that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask for any type of video, any specifics. Be sure to like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe, help get this information out, guys. Thank you.